Good morning, Cecilia. How are you feeling today?
I do not feel very well, Dr. Kellen. I hope that you can treat my illness.
I'm sorry that you feel very sick. Tell me some of your symptoms so that can I give you a proper diagnosis.
I have not felt well since yesterday afternoon. The symptoms began with a headache and a gradual sore throat. I drank tea with lemon and honey and I went to bed early. However, I am extremely exhausted and I don't feel any better today.
I have seen these symptoms recently in some of my other patients. I will check your temperature and examine your throat in order to give you a proper diagnosis.
Thank you, doctor.
Open up and say, ah,
Ah,
oh my. I can already see that your throat is very red. Your temperature of 100 degrees indicates that you are running a mild fever. I am afraid that you might have the flu.
what is the best way to cure my symptoms?
You will need plenty of rest and you should drink fluid frequently in order to stay hydrated. You have also just started to show symptoms. So I can prescribe you a medicine that can reduce fever and shorten the duration of your illness.
Should I stay home from work as well?
Yes, you should remain in bed until the fever breaks. You should also wait until 24 hours after the fever has broken before you return to work. You do not want to risk getting your co-workers sick as well.
I suppose I will just take it easy and relax for a couple of days. Thank you, doctor, for all of your help.
No problem. Try your best to rest for a couple of days. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you, doctor.